Yes, LA people, I believe you're doing great, and I welcome and appreciate your presence in Cuckoo's Study Lab. The end of the Second World War witnessed transition in global power configuration, transfer of role of balancer away from Euro-Atlantic to North Pacific, and a new world order surfaced to oversee interstate interactions and engagements. Since then, the United States enjoyed an unrivaled status in global politics. The country, after breaking its traditional isolationist posture, authored a new regulatory system in its own image and deployed liberal values and ideals, institutional arrangements, and a system of collective security as foundations of the New World Order. The new operating system so ensued was come to known as liberal meritocratic order, as it was spearheaded by a liberal democratic nation. But with time lapsed and unwarranted interventions, the country did not only fail to walk its talk, but it also translated the philosophy of liberal internationalism to liberal interventionism. In the process, apart from invasions and toppling governments and regimes on shallow grounds, the superpower punitively usurped rights and interests of other actors and showed stiff aversion to accommodate others. Consequently, and with the growing incapacity of United States political, economic, social, and institutional frameworks to respond to new challenges, need and demand for a more reliable alternative was felt and worked towards. In this connection, China's brie and its growing engagements across the globe and Russia's mounting assertiveness need no mention. The preceding background of our topic's preamble brings us to what now popularly known as a Trilateral Cold War, in which United States on one hand, Russia and China on the other, confronting each other at multifarious accounts and fronts.